चैतन्यमनभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदामयं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगण रघुनाथनीतं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादं सगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पति गोपीशो गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे आनंद लीलामय विग्रहाय हिमावदिव्य छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, wonderfully merciful, wonderfully munificent, and wonderfully magnanimous. Chaitanya Chandra Daya Karaho Vichar বিচার করিলে চিত্তে পাবে চমৎকার. It's wonderful mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. People think it up very seriously and deeply. You'll feel amazed, exclaimed, what is this mercy? If you collect the statistics of the all merciful persons and all mercies they have bestowed and compare it to the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then you will find even Krishna himself is not so merciful. His incarnations are not so merciful. You understand? As Mahaprabhu is merciful. You understand? So, out of causeless mercy, he appeared here. And for us, the people of Kali Yuga, most degraded, most fallen Kali Yuga people, are all consciously and unconsciously addicted to sinful activities. Patita pamar. But indiscriminately, he embraces one and all. উত্তম অধম কিছু না বাঁচিল, যাচিয়ে দিলে কোল, কহে প্রেমানন্দ এমন গৌরাঙ্গে হৃদয়ে ধরিয়া বল। ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ, ল গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে, বলো। ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ, ল গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে, যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে, যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে। ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ, ল গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে, ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ, ল গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে, যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে, যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজে সে হই আমার। Premananda Das, a Vaishnava poet, he says like that. উত্তম অধম কিছু না বাঁচিল, যাচিয়ে দিল কোল। He never discriminated whether one is qualified or uttama or adham. Never discriminated. Jachiye embraced one and all. Such wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully merciful, wonderfully munificent. ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ, লো গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে, যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ। হ্যাঁ, the name of Gauranga. Utter name of Gauranga. Speak about Gauranga. Anu does this. He is my life and soul. গ্রহে বা বনেতে থাকে হা গৌরাঙ্গ বলি ডাকে, নরোত্তম মাগে তার সঙ্গ। Isn't it? Murali Bhadak Prabhu. Narottam Das begs his association. And maybe in Griha or in Vana, Grihabasi or Vanabasi. Follow my language? Come here, Maharaj. Why sitting there? Come to my front. Maybe a Grihabasi, Vanabasi, residing in Griha or Vana in forest. গৌরাঙ্গ বলি ডাকে, অবশ্যই হা গৌরাঙ্গ। নরোত্তম মাগে তার প্রাণ সঙ্গ। নরোত্তম দাস begs for his association. Yes. Mahaprabhu came. Sriman Mahaprabhu came. What he gave, you see. These Kali Yuga people cannot do anything. Any sadhana they cannot do. Lifespan is so short. Again it's becoming shorter, shorter, shorter due to the sinful activities. Huh? Prayana payusa kalavasmin juge jana. Huh? Mandas manda matayo manda bhagyahi upadruta. Isn't it? Or payusa. Huh? So lifespan is becoming shorter, shorter, shorter. Huh? Everything bad. Huh? Intelligence is bad. Everything, power, memory power is bad. Your, what is say, bhagya, fortune is bad. Everything bad. Isn't it? What these people can do? Huh? Can't do anything. So Mahaprabhu is so wonderfully merciful. He gave the highest thing. Even it's not given in any other yugas. Huh? That is Nam Prem. Huh? That's Nam Prem. Do you understand? By chanting this holy name, he gave this. And Nityananda Prabhu is more merciful than Mahaprabhu. He's more merciful, more magnanimous, more munificent. Do you understand? Both these two brothers, Gaur or Nitai, huh? They appeared and gave this holy name. Do you understand? Nitai naam এনেছে নামের হাটে, নিতাই নাম এনেছে নামের হাটে, শ্রদ্ধা মূলে নাম দিতেছে রে, শ্রদ্ধা মূলে নাম দিতেছে। Do you understand? Murali Bhadak Prabhu, this morning you are saying Shraddha. নিতাই নাম এনেছে নামের হাটে, শ্রদ্ধা মূলে নাম দিতেছে রে। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম রাম রাম। This is name. He has brought this name from Golok Vrindavan. Golokera Premadhana Hari Nam Sankirtana. This doesn't belong to this planet, this earthly planet, material world. Do you understand? He has opened a marketplace for name. Nam Hotto. Nityananda Mahajana. He has opened a marketplace where this name is sold and purchased. Isn't it? What is the price? What is the price? Shraddha mule naam diteche re. Price is Shraddha. Do you understand? Murali Bhadak Prabhu. Only price is Shraddha. Shraddha means Shraddha sabde vishwasa kohe suddhudo nishchoy. Krishne bhakti koile sarva karma krita hoy. You follow my words? Shraddha means suddhudo vishwasa, unflinching faith. Shraddha sabde vishwasa kohe suddhudo nishchoy. Strong faith, unflinching faith is Shraddha. Do you understand? That is the price. Shraddha mule naam diteche. Krishna bhakti koile sarva karma krita hoy. If you develop Krishna bhakti, all your works, all your duty, all your obligations finished. No more left out. Then, have you faith in this? Have you strong faith in this? Sab mukhe bole. Isn't Maharaj? Only they speak from the lips. Sab mukhe bole this. In the heart, you'll find 99.9% people have no faith in it. Isn't it? Yes. Some mukhe bole. All speak from the lips, but the heart, no faith. Yes. And this is the price. So this name, again, the higher thing Krishna praying. Other people of other yugas cannot get it. How wonderfully merciful. This Gaur Nitai, wonderfully munificent, wonderfully magnanimous. Why? I have brought this holy name here. Because these Kali Yuga people cannot do anything. নিতাই জীবের দশা মলিন দেখে নাম এনেছে ব্রজ থেকে রে নিতাই জীবের দশা মলিন দেখে নাম এনেছে ব্রজ থেকে রে Nityananda's heart bleeds, seeing the suffering of the living entities here. Do you understand? So he brought this name from Brother Bhumi, Golok Vrindavan. Do you understand? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. এই নাম শিব জপে পঞ্চমুখে রে এই নাম শিব জপে পঞ্চমুখে রে মধুর এই হরি নাম মধুর এই হরি নাম In 5 pages, Shiva, Lord Shiva is chanting this name. And it is very sweet. Madhur ei Hari Naam. Are you tasting its sweetness? Murali Badak Prabhu. Huh?
I'm diseased.
This is the medicine, Baba. For that disease. Shan Krishna Nama Charita Disitapya Vidya. Pitopatapta Rasanasya Narochikanu. Kintu Adarat. Anudinam. Kalsaiva Justas Hadvi Kramat. Bhakti Murahantri. Upadesamrita. Nectar of instruction. Rupa Goswami Prabhu says. Jaundice patient. A jaundice patient. Excessive bile is there. If you give him sugar candy, oh, sour. Bitter, very bitter. Sugar candy is not bitter. It's very sweet. Why it is bitter to a jaundice patient? Because bile, excessive bile. Diseased person. You understand? If you give him neem leaf, oh, very sweet. Neem leaf is very sweet. The sugar candy tastes bitter. Jaundice patient. Similarly, materialistic person, so much addicted to the material enjoyment. Drinking liquor, thinking, I am Indra, heavenly king now. I am heavenly king now. How many minutes? 2-3 minutes. And Indra so gone, vomiting. Where is Indra? Such person, the Madhurei Harina, is so sweet. They say, oh, bitter, such a diseased person you are. He admits. Frankly admits, Brahman is Brahman. Frankly admits. Well, it's Brahman, frankly admits. He is real Brahman. But if he goes to a physician, they understand that his jaundice patient, bile is excessive. So he says the sugar candy is bitter. So he gives such medicine, prescribes that you should take it with this sugar candy. Oh, that is bitter he gives. Be serious. Yes, and admits. As he admits, yes, I am a diseased person. Must admit. But such careless persons are there in this material world. Find. They are thinking they are in fool's paradise. Fool's paradise. Yes, we're happy. We're enjoying. What enjoyment? Baba. The hog eats stool and enjoys and says, the human beings are so poor. They are not eating such nice thing. Then it is something else. The hog says, the hog mentality, isn't it? Such people are there. Many people. Their percentage is very high percentage. They think, oh, we are happy, we are enjoying, you are enjoying. What sort of enjoyment? They are callous. They are callous. There is one saying in our Orissa. A big boil is there. This buttock portion, very big boil. You understand? Giving so much pain. Cannot sit. Sits like this. Oh, Baba, bhai, what has happened to you? Oh, very big banyan tree is cropping up there. Giving me very cool shade. Such shameless person. He's a shameless person. Such pain is there. Such very big banyan tree is raising its head there and giving me cool shade. Such careless people. What to speak of them? Huh? Those were not careless. Those were really, they understand. Yes, conscious. No. Yes, actually I am in trouble. I am in trouble. I am a diseased person. Yes. Then he receives mercy. He receives mercy because he's conscious. Do you understand? It's bad matter. So, জীবের দশা মলিন দেখে নাম এনেছে ব্রজ থেকে Nityananda Prabhu is so much more merciful than Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So he brought this holy name from Brajabhumi, such Madhuri Harinam, very sweet. Madhuram Madhuram Metan Mangalam Mangalanang Sakala Nigama Balli Sataphalam Chitaswarupam Sakrudapi Parigitam Saddhaya Helaya Bhabruguvaro Naramatram Tarayet Krishna Nama. Isn't it? You follow? No? Madhuram Madhuram Metan Mangalam Mangalanang Sakala Nigamavalli Satphalam Chitswarupam Sakrudapi Parigitam Swadhaya Heleva Bruguvara Naramatra Tarati Krishna Nam. This Krishna Nam is sweeter of the sweetest. Sweeter of the sweetest. Madhurai Krishna Nam. Do you understand? That is, we say. Madhure Krishna Nam. Nitayi naam এনেছে নামের হাটে মধুরে কৃষ্ণ নাম এই নাম ব্রহ্মা জপে চতুর্মুখে রে এই why don't you chant? Help me. এই নাম ব্রহ্মা জপে চতুর্মুখে রে এই নাম ব্রহ্মা জপে চতুর্মুখে রে মধুর এই হরি নাম মধুর এই হরি নাম মধুর এই হরি নাম মধুর এই হরি এই নাম নারদ জপে বীণা যন্ত্রে রে এই নাম নারদ জপে বীণা যন্ত্রে রে মধুর এই হরি নাম মধুর এই হরি নাম মধুর এই হরি নাম মধুর এই হরি নাম Narad Muni chants this holy name with his Veena. Brahma with his 4 faces chants this holy name. So Madhurai Harinam, so sweet. এই নামা ভাসে ওজা মিল বৈকুণ্ঠ গেল রে এ নামা ভাসে ওজা মিল বৈকুণ্ঠ গেল রে এই নাম করতে করতে ব্রজে চলো রে এই নাম করতে করতে ব্রজে চলো রে ভকতি বিনোদ বলে ব্রজে চলো রে ভকতি বিনোদ বলে ব্রজে চলো রে এই নাম করতে করতে ব্রজে চলো রে অজামিল সবচেয়ে most sinful person. He got namabhas. And he got mukti. Do you understand? Then at the end he went to Vaikuntha. You understand? Bhaktivinoda Thakur requests, এই নাম করতে করতে ব্রজে চলো। Chanting this holy name, come with me. হ্যাঁ, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো সঙ্গে চলো, এই মা তো ভিক্ষা চায়। হ্যাঁ, I beg this bhiksha, give me these alms. Radha Krishna bolo sange chalo. Chant Radha Krishna, Hare Krishna, come with me. Go to Krishna's abode, Broje, Brajbhumi. His name gives prema. Do you understand? Niraparadhe naam loile. By Krishna prema, isn't it? Mukhya pathe jiva pai Krishna prema dhana. The chief result of chanting his holy name is Krishna prema. If your chanting is pure, offenseless, then it's pure name. You'll get Krishna. If Krishna is bound up with that prema. Do you understand? That's when you get prema, you get Krishna. And this holy name is Padma Purana, all scriptures it is said. Brahmananam koti sankhyaadhikanam ऐश्वर्यं जच्चेतना जदंश आविर्भूतं तन्महो कृष्ण नाम तन्मे साध्यं साधनं जीवनं च. Padma Purana says, whatever opulence you'll see in the crores of Brahmandas. Do you understand? What is that opulence? It is just a fragment of the opulence of that Sarishwarya Purna Bhagavan. That Supreme Lord Krishna who is completely full with 6 types of opulences. It's only a fragment, isn't it? It's a fragment. Huh? And his name is none different from Krishna. So it is fragment of this holy name, isn't it? And this holy name, Avribhutam Tanamaha Krishna Nama, that Nama has now appeared. Gaur Nityananda, they have brought this holy name here. Do you understand? Taname Sadhyam, Sadhanam, Jivanam. That name is both means as well as end. Sadhya, sadhan, isn't it? Follow my language? Yes, means as well as end. Nam is sadhan, nam is sadhya. Sadhya vastu, what is sadhya vastu? What is the ultimate gain? Krishna prema. That is sadhya, isn't it? That is sadhya vastu. That is the end. And the name gives. Your name gives. Offenseless chanting gives that prema. That is said. Therefore, sadhyam sadham jivanam cha. That holy name is my high life and soul. Do you understand? Again, Padma Purana says, Vishnu nameva punsa samalamapanudhyat punyamutpadayacha brahmadisthana bhoga virati matha guru padadundu bhakting tattva jnanam cha Vishnu riha mruti janaka bhranti bijam cha dagdva sampurnananda bodhe mahati cha purusam Apitva nibrutam. Padma Purana says, this is all Shastra, Sarva Shastra kohe. It's not concocted. It's not imaginative. All Vedic literature say, Tasma Shastra Pramanam Karja Karja Vyavasthitam. Isn't it? Gita says, Vedic proof, Shastra Praman. Shastric proof, we accept. So Padma Purana says, Vyasdev writes Padma Purana. Vyasdev says, this Harinam destroys all the sinful reactions of the jivas. Isn't it? Eka Krishna nama kare sarva papa kheya. One name, one Krishna name will destroy all sin. Even papi cannot commit such pap. Such potency is there. Sin destroying potency. Do you understand? Then it also develops bhajanajagya sukruti. Do you understand? Helayava swadhyava helayava brugubara. Naramatra dharayate Krishna. If someone chants this holy name with Shraddha, it's very fortunate. No Shraddha. Till it stands. Yes, till it stands. He gets. And example is Ajamila. Huh? Isn't Maharaj? Example is Ajamila. Huh? He never consciously uttered the name of Narayan. He called his son Sanketya. Huh? Called his son. Do you understand? When Jamadutas came, such a great simple person. He has committed so many things. The Chitragupta compiled a very big book, Panchi, for Ajamila. Yes, such a great simple person. When Jamadutas came, do you understand? Three Jamadutas, very fearful looking, they came to take it. So, out of fear, he called his the youngest son, Narayan. Fortunate enough, he had named him Narayan. That was fortune. He has not given Bob or Tom. Narayan he had given. Such naming. Do you understand? He had some sukruti. Then he called his name Narayan. Oh, Narayan, hey, Narayan, where are you? Come to me. Do you understand? As soon as he uttered the name of Narayana, 4 Vishnu Duttas appeared immediately. 400 form with the club. Then Dibar, hey, don't touch him. Do you understand? Don't touch him. 3 Vishnu, fearful looking Jamadutas. They said, they are amazed. What? Such a great sinful person? Who are you? Why are you devouring us? They said, who are you? We are Jamadutas. Jamaraj. You are Jamadutas? Jamaraj is Dharmaraj. Isn't it? Very strictly follow the principle of Dharma. And he gives vichar, decision. Purely based on the principles of Dharma. Don't you know Dharma? Being his Dutas, don't you know Dharma? Vishnu Dutas asked. So discussion there in 6th canto of Bhagavatam. Do you understand? So such is the potency of uttering. Shraddhava heleva bhrugavara naramatra tare. Their Shraddha is better, very good, best. No Shraddha, still utters. He gets such follow, such result. My one question is here. Why 3 Jamadutas came and why 4 Vishnudutas came? What is significance? Yes. Don't know. Maharaj, will you help me? He's just putting on my head. Maharaj. Guru Maharaj, nice illustration. 3 Jamadutas, 4 Vishnudutas, isn't it? We have never inquired about it. Why? Ask him. Why? Why 3 Jamadutas? Why 4 Jamadutas? Do you understand? Significance is, Ajamila had committed sin through body, mind and speech. Understood? Body, mind and speech. All right? 3 Jamadutas. Utter Narayana. Oh. All right? This is significance. So, I'm not going to tell that story. My point is here that this sin-destroying potency, such potency is there. Swadhava helava bhrugubara naramatra tarayate Krishna. You may either chant with Shraddha or without faith. Krishna Nam can deliver you. Example is that. That he says. That this Krishna Nam destroys the all sinful reactions. Again, it also develops bhajana sukruti. Do you understand my language? Bhajana sukruti. And also, it also develops bhakti at the lotus feet of Guru. This is what the Puran says. And also, it develops a detachment, even the enjoyment available in the abode of Brahma. Do you understand? That is Bhoga Virati Matha. Brahmadisthana Bhoga Virati Matha. That it says. Also, it gives Tattva Gyan, imparts Tattva Gyan also. Because Mata Smriti Gyanam Apahanam. From me, Krishna says, comes remembrance, forgetfulness, and Gyan. Is Satsid Anandamaya, Sanamaya, Sinamaya, Anandamaya, Iswara Parama Krishna, Sajidananda Vigraha. Sanmaya means full of eternity. Sinamaya means full of knowledge, isn't it? And full of Ananda. So Gyan comes in. And name being non-different from Krishna, it's also. Nanama sadrusam jnanam, Adi Purana says. Nanama sadrusam jnanam. Do you understand? There is no knowledge as good as name. Name gives all knowledge. Name gives everything. Do you understand? Then also, when you can chant pure name, yet prema, then your samandha, your relationship, rasa samandha. You understand? Rasa samandha. Rasa means mellow. 5 chief rasas are there. Santo, dasya, sakhya, vatsarya, madhurya. You understand? And every living entity has a particular relationship based on this rasa. Yes. But at first we cannot understand. It is not revealed to us. But when your chanting will be pure, painless, it will be revealed to you. What rasa you have with Krishna and you are related to him. Eternal. Do you understand? It is eternal. Nitya sambandha, eternal relationship. And by chanting, that will be revealed. That is this. Do you understand? So, this Nam is like this. It's the highest thing. Again said, Vepante duritani mohomohima sammoha malambati sasankam nakharanjani kalayati Sri Chitragupta Kruti Sanandam madhuparka sambhati vidhau vedha karoti udyamam bhaktum namni tabeswara vidyasite bruma kimanyata param. It's Padma Purana. It's all from Padma Purana about holy name. Oh Krishna. If somebody develops Shraddha, I said Shraddha mule naam dite che. This is the only price you are speaking. Asking me, that is first requisite. Therefore Rupa Goswami says, Adau Shraddha. Huh? First requisite is Shraddha. If someone has not developed Shraddha, you'll initiate him, initiate him with this name, you'll commit offense. That is Namaparat, isn't it? Shraddhahina jane Namapodesh. Isn't Maharaj? Yes. So what Guru, Vaishnava, you should see first that person has developed complete faith in holy name. Otherwise, no, you cannot be initiated, no. Then you'll commit offense. That is first requisite Shraddha. So he says, Vepante duritani mohamahima sammohamalambate sasankam nakharanjani kalayati chitragupta kuti sanandam madhuparka sambati vidhau vedha karoti udyamam bhaktu namni tabeswara vedisate bruma kimanyata param. If someone is fortunate enough, develops Shraddha. Do you understand? Develops Shraddha to chant holy name. Is very fortunate. As soon as he develops Shraddha to chant holy name, all the sins become afraid of him to come to him. Do you understand? All sins become afraid of him to go to that person. No, don't go. Now you develop Shraddha and Krishna, no. You see? Then all your delusions, material attachments, they leave you. Do you understand? You free from all delusions, material attachments. The Chitragupta, the minister of Jamaraj, who is writing the names, recording all the sinful activities by individual person commits, he becomes afraid to write his name in his book. Do you understand? He becomes, no, I cannot now write his name. He has developed Shraddha in holy name now, Krishna Nama. Do you understand? Then one accepting Nama Tattva with Guru, Asrayalaya Bhoje, Tate Krishna Nahi Sede, Ar Soba More Okara. Do you understand? Therefore, Rupa Goswami says, Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Atho Bhodana Kriya. Atho Anartha Nibruti. It's gradual. First is to develop Shraddha. You understand? Shraddha means unflinching faith. There are two types of Shraddha, isn't it? What is that? Shastriya Shraddha, Laukiki Shraddha, technical term. Do you understand? It's no technical term, we are Vaishnava. Yes, technical term, isn't it, Maharaj? Please excuse me if it is very hard for you. It's Shastriya Shraddha and Laukiki Shraddha. And Srila Jiva Goswami, all acharyas have stressed upon this Shastriya Shraddha. Shraddha in Sadhu, Shastra, Guru. Do you understand me? Shraddha in Sadhu, Shastra, Guru. That is known as Shastriya Shraddha. Do you understand? Faith in Shastric injunctions. What Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava says in his word, he speaks from Shastra. He never concocts anything. That's Shraddha, the Shastriya Shraddha. Laukiki Shraddha, that is a shadow, faith, or Shraddha, do you understand? Just so-called people say, it's hearsay. Oh, there is a great ghost there in that tree. Yes, great ghost, big ghost, stays in that tree. While you are coming in the dark night, see, oh, a ghost is there. Because you have developed Shraddha in it. It's Laukik Shraddha. Do you understand? It's Laukik Shraddha. People hearsay. But we never accept such thing. We develop Shastriya Shraddha. That is, speak of Shraddha, that is Shastriya Shraddha. Do you understand? And with Shraddha, Adu Shraddha, Tata Sadhu Sangha. How can one develop Shraddha? That's the next question. How? With Sadhu Sangha only. Associating Sadhu, hearing from the Sadhu, develops Shraddha. Do you understand? But another question is there. Many are coming. Yes. Many are coming for association of Sadhu, hearing from Sadhu. My question, how many of them really hearing? On whose ear this katha is really penetrating? Can you say? Not many. If you take statistics, Maharaj, very disappointing statistics will come out. Really not many, that's fact. Why it is so, Baba? Why it is so? Huh? Yes, Maharaj. Why it is so? Huh? In this connection, very often I tell a story. Very often I tell. Most of you might have heard it. How many have heard? One? Only one person? You have not heard? Let me tell the story. Repeat it again. So many people coming from neighboring villages coming to hear. And they have this. Yes, hear Bhagavad. That by will achieve perfection. So, every day, daily, two ladies are coming from the neighboring village. One was old lady, 60, 70 years old. One is young lady, 15, 16 years old. two ladies regularly coming. They are mother-in-law and daughter-in-law. Sasu Bohu. You understand? Coming, sitting, just hearing. Then, after the Bhagavad part finished, then they go back. One day, one who was reciting Bhagavad, he said, Anande vala Hari 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 Kuribe Bhupari. Chant the name of Hari, 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 with pleasure. Then that Hari will enable you to cross over the dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. Immediately, that young lady, 15, 16 years old, from that moment she started chanting, Hari, 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 Hari. She started chanting. But the old lady, her mother-in-law, didn't chant. Didn't chant. You see, she didn't chant. So, when the recitation was over, they went back. So on the way, they had to cross a river. And that was a tidal river. Tide comes. Do you follow me? When they come, there was knee-deep water. When they go, return, there was neck-deep or nose-deep water. But tidal, so much water has come. Tidal, so much water has come. The daughter-in-law was going ahead chanting Hari, Hari, Hari. And mother-in-law was following, going behind. Very easily she crossed. Daughter-in-law crossed the river and got to the other bank. But in the middle river, the mother-in-law was drowning. The water is entering into her mouth and nose. Drowning and shouting, oh, Bo, oh, daughter-in-law, you are on the other bank. I am drowning here. Don't you hear? Why don't you chant Hari, Hari? She gets angry. Why? You are my teacher. She is teaching you. She got angry, but not chanting Hari, Hari. You see. What happened? Then the daughter-in-law came, catch hold of the hand of her mother-in-law and said, oh, Hari, please help my mother-in-law to cross over this tiny river. What to speak of tiny river? Huh? Lord Hari, his name is so powerful. If you chant, then you'll be unable to cross over the dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. What is the tiny river? But she had no faith. You understand me? She had no faith, no Shraddha. That old lady, though 60, 70 years old, just though they sat there, she heard, but really didn't hear. Really didn't hear. That katha didn't enter into her ear. Isn't it, Murali Bhadak Prabhu? That was my question. Really, how many are hearing? How many are hearing, really? That is what. Why? She couldn't develop Shraddha. Whereas young lady immediately developed Shraddha and got the result. Why? What is the reason? Yes, Bolo. What is the reason? Huh?
Caste association of devotee?
You may say something. Maybe that is different answers, but one answer is there. That old lady, crooked, she has kapotya, crookedness, whereas that young lady, simple-hearted, no crookedness. Last day I said, simplicity is Vaishnavism. Saralata hi Vaishnavata. Those are real sadhus, they are as simple as child. This kapotya, this is first hindrance, the great hindrance. Give up all your dupliciousness, pretensions. Become simple. Become simple. You understand? Then immediately you get result. You'll get the benefit of associating with sadhus and develop Shraddha. You understand? That is only reason. So this says, all speaks about this. Adu Shraddha tadu sadhu sangha. Then this sadhu sangha means what? taking shelter of the lotus feet of Guru. He understands that I have to do bhajan. And how can? Without taking shelter of the sadhu Guru, nobody can. Because Guru Bhanugati Asraya Bhaje. Your bhajan should be done under the guidance of Guru. That is the second sadhu sangha. Bhajan, then bhajan kriya. You don't know how to do bhajan. The Sikhyadata Guru, bhajan Sikhyadata Guru is Sikhya Guru. Guru teaches you how to do bhajan. So under his guidance, you will do bhajan. Then anartha-nivritti, there comes. It's gradual. So, one who develops such faith, unflinching faith, and does bhajan under the guidance of sadhu Guru, then gets Krishna prem, then at the end, quitting this body, he goes directly to the abode of Krishna. While he is going, he is passing through all the layers. Do you understand? Saptavaran, 7 layers are there. And highest planet is the abode of Brahma. He says, Vedha sanandam madhuparka sambati vidhu vedha karoti udyamam. Brahma understands, now that person is coming now, going through it. See, immediately prepares his arati plate. I will offer arati. While he will pass through it, you see. Vedha karoti udyamam. Brahma offers arati to that person. It passes through Brahma Lok. That is it. Bhaktunami tabasvara vilasite brahma kim manyate param. Then this is the glory of holy name. You understand? Huh? That is what you should understand. A name of the Lord. And there is no difference, the Lord Krishna and the name of Krishna. But Rupa Goswami has said in Namastaka, Bachyam Bachaka Mityudeti Bhavato Nama Swarupadoyam Purvasmat Parameva Hanta Karunam Tatrapi Janimahi. You follow me? Namo Nami. Understand my language? Namo, holy name, Nami, Krishna. Do you understand? Namo Nami. Between Nama and Nami, Nama is more merciful than Nami. That he says. Purvasmat Parama Hanta Karunam. Karuna means mercy, means merciful. That is what. The holy name is more merciful than Krishna. Name of Krishna, Nama is more merciful than Nami. That he says. You understand? Such is. Madhurang madhuram meitan mangalam mangalanam. Sakala nivamalli sadbalam chitsarupam sakrudapi parigitam sadhaya helayava bhrugavara naramatra tareti Krishna Nama. This Krishna Nama is sweeter of the sweetest, is more auspicious than the most auspicious. Mangalam mangalanam sakala nigambali satpalam. This Krishna Nama is the most ripened fruit of Vedic tree. Most ripened fruit of the Vedic tree. He says, Sakala Nigambali Satpalam Titsarupam. Sadhava Hedava Bhrugavara Naramatra Tareti Krishna Nama. With faith or without faith, if someone chants, he gets benefit. Do you understand? Again, Srimad Bhagavatam says, Apanna sansruti ghorang jannama vivasa grunan tada sadyo vimucheto jad vibheti swayam bhayam. This morning we are discussing. Krishna jai rakhyakar palaka amar. Rakhe sthiti vishwasa. Krishna is my protector. Krishna is my maintainer. And this faith should be there. So similarly, Krishna Nama is the also maintainer and protector. You understand? Because it's not different from Nami, isn't it? Name is not different from Nami. So we should develop such unflinching faith and name also. This holy name will give us protection. Do you understand? Apanna sansati ghoran jannam. One is in great danger What shall you do? Stand. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. There is no fear. Now, jad vibheti swayam bhayam. That fear, embodiment, fear will be afraid to approach you. You see, jad vibheti swayam bhayam. Do you understand? What is that? If fear will assume a body, huh? The embodiment of fear will be afraid of approaching that person who is chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Such is the effect, you see. Huh? So Gaur and Nitai, they came and gave this holy name. Highest thing they gave. Do you understand? But we have one thing. Well, and we are followers of Gaur Nitai. Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nameva Kevalam Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatiranyata. In Kali Yuga there is no other way, no other way, no other way. One has to take shelter of holy name only. Isn't it? Nam sadhana. Kali Yuga Nama Rupi Krishna Botaro Ko Yuga Nama Rupi Krishna Botaro Nama Hoite Hoye Sarvo Jogoto Nistaro Nama Hoite Hoye Sarvo Jogoto Nistaro Namo Bina Koli Kali Nayaro Dharma Nam Ina Koli Kali Nayaro Dharma Sarvamantro Saranamo Ei Sastro Mormo Sarvamantro Saranamo Ei Sastro Mormo. This is Shastra, Shastric injunction. Huh? Do you understand? Kali Kali, there is no, in Kali Yuga, no incarnation of the Lord. It's Nama Avatar. Do you understand? It's name incarnation. At the end of Kali Yuga only Kalki will come. No incarnation in the meantime, isn't it? It's Nama Avatar. It's name incarnation. Kali Kali, Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. It's Nama Avatar. Nama is the whole universe will be delivered by this holy name. Do you understand? This is Shastra, Shastric injunction. It's not concocted theory. Do you understand? Sarva Shastra. Do you understand? But, we say this, Niraparad, there is Nama Parad. When we speak about this thing, Rupa Goswami says, Ado Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sango, Otho Bhajano Kriya, Tato Anartha Nivritti. Do you understand? Then anarthas. Gireche nana anartha re bhai. What do you say in English, anartha? Unwanted things. Yes, English language is such. Anyhow, specific is it. Technical word anartha. 4 types of anarthas are there. Isn't it? Huh? What are those 4 types of anarthas? Yes, tell me. Murali Bhadaka Prabhu.
There's a large the practice things.
Yes, aparad.
And
Asatrushna. Asatrushna means anyabhilasa. Understand? Anyabhilasa. Anyabhilasa sunyam jnana karmadi anabhrutam anukullena krishnanu shiranam bhaktiruttama. Not desiring Krishna. Desiring either material enjoyment or liberation. Do you understand? This is asatrushna. This is one anartha. Do you understand? Then, hrudaya daurbalya, weakness of the heart. Do you understand? What is that? That is attached, not attached to Krishna, attached to material objects of enjoyment. 4 types. Everything is 4 types. Every anartha. Do you understand? Krishna Vishaya Asakti, attachment to objects of enjoyment, sense enjoyment. You are not attached to Krishna. Then kutinati. That means kapatya. Kapatya. Duplicity. Crookedness. Then masterya. Enviousness. Jealousy or enviousness. You cannot tolerate someone's advancement. Do you understand? That is matsarya, enviousness, and pratishtha, name, fame, desiring name, fame, adoration, prestige. These are Hrudaya Daurbalya, weakness of the heart. This is one of the anarthas. Then aparad, as you say. Nama aparad, Vaishnava aparad, Seva aparad, Surupa aparad, like this. All sorts of offenses. This one of the anarthas. 4th one, tattva brahma. No correct conception of tattva. Do you understand? You have misconception of tattva. Suya tattva brahma, Krishna tattva brahma, sadhya sadhan tattva brahma, virodhi vishaya brahma. 4 types. Jiva tattva brahma, Krishna tattva brahma. Do you understand my language? Misconception on Krishna, Krishna tattva. Misconception on jiva tattva. Suya tattva, your own tattva means jiva tattva. Misconception of sadhya sadhana tattva. Follow my language? All right? Help me. I need your help. My language is faulty language, but you should understand and help others. That is English. I don't know English. And Virodhi Tattva, Brahma, do you understand? Contradictory philosophy, do you understand? These 4 types, these are anarthas. Unless one is completely freed from anarthas, do you understand? Gireche nana anartha re bhai. Unless one is completely freed from anarthas, how? Will come to the next stage, that's the nishtha. Do you understand? Adu Shraddha, Tata Sadhu Sungo, Uthobhajan Kriya, the one of the name is Nishtha Sada. What is Nishtha? Fixed. Fixed. Unshaking, not shaking at all. Do you understand? Like we give example, in the middle of a river, do you understand? Very high currents are there, flowing, but a stone is there. In the middle of the river, fixed. Currents are coming, dashing against the stone, cannot shake it, getting away. That is Nishtha. This example, fixed. While chanting Hare Krishna, mind, there will be no oscillation of the mind. Vikepa Sunya Bhajan. That is Nishtha. Do you understand, Maharaj? Yes. And that is one of the aparadhas, Nama aparadhas. Is the 9th aparadha. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said that thing in Harinam Chintamani. The 9th Nama aparadha is, while chanting your name, holy name, Guru has given the beads. If your mind oscillates, you commit that aparadha. Yes. Therefore, this prema is not available. You may overcome all other aparadhas. But mostly all are committing this aparadha. Yes, all are committing this aparadha. How to chant? My Guru Maharaj is so liberal, so merciful, you see. His Guru, Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Swami said, chant 64 rounds, 1 lakh of name. If someone doesn't chant 1 lakh of name, I won't see his face. Yes, he said, Mukha darshan, I won't see his face. If he offers food for Swat to Krishna, he will never accept. He says, his Guru says. And he says, yes, said, you cannot become disciple of my Guru. Yes, because he's so strict. Yes, isn't Maharaj? Yes, I have heard this thing. You cannot become the disciple of my Guru, he said, because he's so strict. Yes. You understand? He's very strict, Bhakti Siddhanta. But he's so liberal. He made it 1/4. Only chant 16 rounds. Where is 64 rounds? Where is 60 rounds? 16 rounds. But we failed to stand 16 downs nicely with concentrated attention, offenseless. We may not commit other aparadhas, but we commit this aparadha. 16 downs, we cannot say, oh, how much time it takes. You cannot stand nicely 16 downs. What is it? Mostly chanting in this way. He's committing an aparadha. Yes. Yes. How to chant? And say, oh, Hamil Mala. And so, looking at the, what is that? Huh? The middle thing? No, counting means no, the middle thing was there. What the middle thing? Radha Krishna, we say that is Radha Krishna. 108. What do you say? Krishna bead. Huh? Always chant. How many beads are? Oh. That means your attention there, not attention in the holy name. It's an attention. Yes, that's our commitment. Mostly we are doing. Yes, mostly we are doing. We are committing this offense. Now how can we get prema? Huh? Our offense chanting is not pure at all. It's offensive chanting. Mostly commit this offense, this namaparad. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said, therefore you cannot get prema. Those Mahaprabhu gives so freely. You understand? Therefore it said. Bahujanma kare jodi shravana kirtan, tabu na paay Krishna pade premadana. If you have crores of lives, you go on like this, chanting. You cannot get Krishna prema. No. Do you understand? In other words, we say, Mahaprabhu, taking shelter, Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu is wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous, and wonderfully munificent. Mahaprabhu excuses aparadha. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu excuses. Yes, Mahaprabhu excuses. We should completely take shelter of Krishna Chaitanya, Sri Krishna Chaitanya. And he has taught us. He has taught us in Sikhastra. Trunadapi sunicheno taroriva sahisnuna amanina manadeno kirtanya sada hari. This is the most important teaching Mahaprabhu gave. Do you understand? And Kaviraj Goswami says, make a garland of this verse, sloka, put around your neck, Maharaj, then chant Hare Krishna. Yes, isn't it? Then chant. Otherwise, you cannot do bhajan. Tunadapi sunichena taroriva sahisnuna amanina manadena kirtanya sada hari. Think yourself much humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. That is Tunadapi sunicha bhava. Isn't it? Lowest of the low. Do you understand? Lowest of the low. If a chronological list will be made, do you understand? Number one person, then second, third, fourth. My name will come at last. Nobody is below me. That is what. This is Trunadapi Sunicha Bhava. Isn't it, Maharaj? What I have heard from my Guru Maharaj, that I am saying. This is Trunadapi, lowest of the low. Kaviraj Goswami says, Puristhara kito hoite amise loghisto, jogai madhai hoite amise papisto. More naam jai loy, tar hoy punyokhe. Kaviraj Goswami cries jewel of Paramahansas, isn't it? Paramahansa Chudamani, Shiromani. He says, Uttama hoya apna ke mane odom. He is Uttam, but thinks adham. That is Vaishnava quality. That is one who really does bhajan. That is his mood. You understand? Puristhara kito hoite I am worse than a worm in this tour, he says. Puristhara kito hoite amise loghisto. Jogai madhai hoite amise papisto. I am more sinful than Jagai Madhai, he says. More naam jai loy tar hoy punyokhe. If someone wrote my name, he'll lose his auspiciousness. Do you understand? This is Trunadapi Sunicha Bhava. Always think. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Amise Vaishnava ye buddhi hoile omani nohabo ami. Pratishtha asli hrudaya dusiva hoibo niroyo gami. Do you follow? Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang some nice song. Can't you see this song? Huh? Bhaktivinoda Thakur has given some nice song. All philosophy is there. আমি সে বৈষ্ণব এ বুদ্ধি হইলে অমানি নহব আমি প্রতিষ্ঠা আছে হৃদয় দূষিব হইব নির if someone thinks oh I am Vaishnava finished. Yes, Vaishnava means demanding respect. Hey, don't you rascal, don't you know who am I? Bow down. Okay? You see, আমি সে বৈষ্ণব এ বুদ্ধি হইলে অমানি নহব. If this thing enters into you, then you cannot become a mani. You cannot pay respect to one and all, rather demanding respect. Do you understand? He says, Ami se Vaishnava buddhi mani no. Pratishtha, then you're running after name, fame, adoration, prestige. Pratisthasha, that is one of the anarthas. Then my heart will be polluted. I'll go to hell. Yes, I'll go to hell. This Mani manada. Tunada pisunichena taroriva saisnuna. As tolerant as tree. Do you understand? Example, you see, Haridas Thakur. Jesus Christ, my Guru Maharaj said, Jesus Christ is our Guru. Yes. The parsonage crucified him. Huh? He tolerated it. Isn't it? Jesus Christ said, someone comes, slaps in this stick, so please slap on this stick. Yes, isn't it, Maharaj? I have heard it. And you know, yes, please slap in this stick. Yes, why in this stick only? Yes, such, huh? Yes, such is the mode, you see. Tunada Pisunichana. Huh? Tolerated. Tunada Pisunichana Tarori. He tolerated. Haridas Thakur tolerated. Huh? Passing these people of Kaji, huh? Came and dragged him in 22 bazars, executed him so severely. Do you understand? Flesh came out, bone came out. Still, he tolerated and chanting Hare Krishna and offering prayers to Krishna. Oh, Krishna, please excuse these people. They don't know what they are doing. So callous. They have no consciousness at all. He's offering prayer, the same thing. Jesus Christ did. Huh? Such Mahatma, you see. Taroriva, how could he tolerated it? And with pleasure chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Just chanting pleasure. Face has come out, bone has come out. Didn't die, you see. It's Taroriva Saisnuna. If someone chants this holy name, do you understand? He develops this power of tolerance. Yes, power of tolerance. This Sankirtan. The Nam Sankirtan will give you this power of tolerance. Tunand Pisunichina Taroriva Saisuna Omanina Manadena Kirtan. And pay respect to one and all Krishna, this Tamarani. The respect is not paid to the body. Respect is paid to the Paramatma who is in the body. The sadhu pays respect to one and all. Even never disrespects an ant. Do you understand? Yes, because Krishna is Tamarani. Krishna is there as Paramatma. His respect is not paid to the body. But in practical field, we have superior, inferior. Consideration, those who are inferior, they practically, publicly show respect, dandavat, to the superior person. But superior persons, they, in the mind, their mind, they pay respect. They always, before you paying respect to a sadhu, he has already paid you respect. That sadhu does. Amani manada. Do you understand? Give respect to one and all. Don't demand respect. Otherwise, you cannot do Haribhajan. This is Mahaprabhu Sikhya teaching. If someone does like this, Mahaprabhu excuses all aparadhas. Do you understand? Murali Bharat Prabhu, Mahaprabhu, Nityan, they excuse all aparadhas. Then you'll get Krishna Prema. Then your chanting will be as pure and you'll get Krishna Prema. Do you understand? There should be no duplicity at all. Niskapata bhava. Akapata bhav, without duplicity. You, oh Gauro Nityananda, you utter the name of Gauranga and Nityananda. They will be so pleased and shower their Ahitvi, causeless mercy on you. Do you understand? And they'll destroy all your aparadhas. All your aparadhas. Do you understand? Tantra Vachana is there. Jnanata sulabha muktir bhuktir jagyadi punyataha seyam sadhana sasrair hari bhakti sulabha. Tantra Vachana. The hari bhakti is not so easily available. Jnanata sulabha mukti. Those are jnanis. They do jnananusiran. Very easily they get mukti. Bhuktir jagyadi punyata. One who performs punya karma. Jagya, paropakar, doing good to others. Bhukti, he gets material enjoyment. He will be elevated to heavenly planet and to get so much material enjoyment there. Sayam sadhana sasrayir hari bhakti sulabha. But if you do thousands of sadhana, still you cannot get hari bhakti. Do you understand? Sudurlabha is rarely achieved. One thing is required. What is that? You are doing so many sadhanas, but one thing is required. Something other thing is required with this sadhana. What is that? You should take shelter of sadhu, guru, Vaishnava. Do you understand? Sadhu, guru, Vaishnava, Suddha Dasya, Bhakta Dasya, should servant of a pure devotee. Do you understand? And is served by his mercy. Do you understand? Pranipata pariprasna seva. The Gita says, humbly asked tattva jnana. Impart tattva jnana, then you can understand samandha tattva jnana. Samandha abhidheya prayojana three tattva. By his mercy will be understood. Do you understand? Then you'll get Hari Bhakti. Do you understand? And Gaur and Nitai, they give freely this thing. Do you understand? By giving you this Harinam, chanting of Harinam. Do you understand? If one cannot develop his rasa sambandha, do you follow my point? His relationship based on his particular rasa, mellow, then he will get only mukti. He will only attain namabha stage. He will get mukti only. No prem, no Krishna. Do you understand? So, well, chanting will be pure, offenseless, then you will develop it. And it will be revealed to you. What is your real relationship with Krishna? You understand? Because, Vedanta Sarthamata, Kaviraj Goswami says, Krishna premara ei eko adbhuta prabhava. Guru sama laghu ke koraye dasya bhava. Do you follow me? Maharaj. Krishna premara eko adbhuta prabhava. Guru sama laghu ke koraye dasya. This is the nature of Krishna prema. Do you understand? It makes Guru sama laghu das. Guru means superior person. That means Nanda Maharaj, Jasoda Mata of Krishna. They think also we are das of Krishna. Sama equal cowherd boys, Subal, Sudham, etc. They think also this Dasya Bhakti, Sakhya Bhakti, Sakhya Prem, we are also das. Laghu, Chitrak, Patrak. They think we are das. Guru Sama Laghu ke koraye dasya bhava. That means Krishna dasya is based on love. In other words, isn't it? Therefore we say dasya rati or dasya prema, sakhya prema, vasalya prema, and madhurya prema or kanta prema. Isn't it? It's all prema. Do you understand? And Mahaprabhu gives Chari bhava bhakti dhyana achamu bhuvana. Mahaprabhu had discarded Santarasa. Do you understand? Out of 5 mukhya rasa, chief melas, Mahaprabhu discarded Santa. Why? Why has discarded Santa? Huh? There is no personal relationship in Santa. Do you understand? There is no personal relationship in Santa. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Kaviraj Goswami has said all these things. Santer Svabhava Krishna Mamata Agondoyino. Param Brahma Paramatma Jnana Pravina. Do you follow? Those are Jnanis. Santa Bhakta Navajogendra. Sonakadiyar. Follow my point? Navajogendra, Sanaka, 4 Kumaras, they are Gyan Pravin, Paramatma, Param Brahma. Santo, they are Santa Rasa Mela. Do you understand? Krishna Mamata, personal relationship with Krishna. Therefore, Mahaprabhu discarded Santa. Chari Bhava Bhakti Diya, Nacham Puvana, he said. Chari 4. Dasya Sakya Vasalya Madhurya. I'll make whole world dance. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. You chant, as soon as you chant, you start dancing. Child dances, old man dances, young man dances. My Guru Maharaj, even a dog dances. Yes, dog can take part and dance. Mahaprabhu did it while he was passing through Dhari Khanda Bana. They made the tigers, lions, deers, everything. Chant and dance, yes. Isn't it? This is what benefit. Huh? Chari Bhava Bhakti Diya Nasam Bhuvan. I'll make dance. That is it. So, Sreya Sadhane Sasre Hari Bhakti Sudlava. But the name gives everything. Mahaprabhu gave the highest thing. If you cannot develop your relationship with Krishna, particular rasa, then you may get mukti, cannot get prema. And that will be revealed to you when he will achieve nishtha stage. Do you understand? Nishtha. Do you understand? Nishtha stage. That is beginning. That beginning after anartha mukti. Adu shraddha, tat sadhu sungo, tat bhajan kriya, tato anartha nivruti, then comes nishtha. Then comes nishtha. Do you understand? That is the beginning. Just beginning. Do you understand? Then ruchi, then asakti. Then develop taste. Ruchi. Namanando, namamruta swadan. The amruta emanating from the holy name, you will taste it then. And being related, establishing relations with Krishna with that samandha. Dasya Sakya Vasalya Madhurya. Do you follow? Rupa Goswami has mentioned, discussed all these things in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. And it's gradual development. But Mahaprabhu Gaur and Nityananda, I say, wonderfully magnanimous, udar, apamor, patita pamor nahi bache, brahmaratma prasavakare jache. It never dismisses patita or pamor, qualified or not qualified, deserving or not deserving, so para, mine or not mine. Everybody, yes. হেন প্রেম শ্রী চৈতন্য দিলা যথা তথা জগাই মাদাই পর্যন্ত অন্যের কি কথা? Do you understand? Jagai and Madhais. Do you understand? This is Gaurav, Nityananda, Seva. And Mahaprabhu, so merciful, wonderfully, and Nityananda Prabhu is more merciful than Mahaprabhu. অদ্যাপি দেখো শ্রী চৈতন্য নাম যেই লয়, কৃষ্ণ প্রেম পুলকাশ্রু বিহল সে হয়। নিত্যানন্দ বলিতে হয় কৃষ্ণ প্রেমোদয়। You understand? নিত্যানন্দ বলিতে হয় কৃষ্ণ প্রেমোদয়, আউলায় সকল অঙ্গ অশ্রু গঙ্গাময়। Nityananda Prabhu is more merciful. Do you understand? হেন নিতাই বিনে ভাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাইতে নাই। Isn't it? হেন নিতাই বিনে ভাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাইতে নাই। When Nityananda Prabhu was hot by Jagai and Madhais, the hot with the broken pieces of the liquor pot, head was hot and so profuse bleeding was there. Mahaprabhu got angry and invoked Sudarshan Chakra. But Nityan Prabhu is so magnanimous, so merciful. He reminded, in this incarnation, you will never take up of this weapon. Yes, Galama Katilo Kare. Hari Namo Diya Hrudayo Sodhilo Jachi Giya Ghore Ghore. In this incarnation, he has not cut throat of anybody. Other incarnations, Supreme Lord has cut throat, killed the demons. But in this incarnation, he has not cut throat of anybody. Harinamo diya hrudaya sudhilo jachi gya ghare ghare. Going to every doorstep. Nityananda Prabhu was going to every doorstep. Yes. Knocking at the door. And the house master comes out. Please chant Hare Krishna. Bolo Gauranga Mate Kini Aniyo. Chant name of Gauranga and forsage me. It doesn't do. He sits still and rolls on the ground. He rolls on the ground, Nityananda Prabhu. Yes. So merciful, you see. Nityananda Prabhu. Huh? So, Heno Nityananda Vina. Radha Krishna. Heno Nitai Vina. Radha Krishna Paita. You cannot get Radha Krishna without Nitai's Kripa. Dharo Nitairo Chorano Dukhani. Clasp tightly the two lotus feet of Nityananda. Then you'll get Krishna Prema. Do you understand? We are all aparadhis. Yes, really we are all aparadhis. One may be aparadhi or niraparad. Everybody should take shelter of Gaur and Nitai without duplicity. Niskapada bhave. And say, oh Gauranga, Nitai, I completely take shelter of you. Then they will shower their mercy on you and all the aparadhas will be destroyed. All the aparadhas will be destroyed and your chanting will be pure and you'll get Krishna. Prema. There is aparadhas which are in name of Krishna. But in the name of Gaur and Nitai, there is no vichar of aparadha. Therefore we fast chant. It is Panchatattva. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Begging their mercy, please destroy my aparadha. Otherwise, how can I chant Hare Krishna? That is my request to you. Ataiva bhaja loko Chaitanya Nityananda Ataiva bhaja loko Chaitanya Nityananda